my god! Can you believe this? Hello, and thanks for being here. If you're a Dragon City fan and you like what you're seeing right now, then let's watch together, if this is possible. This will be a 3 minutes adventure, so make sure you don't skip any portion of the video, guys. Before doing anything, there's one small requirement. The power saving mode has to be off. Even if you guys are using an iPhone or an Android, this one doesn't have to be active.
The next thing is not a mandatory one, but I was advised to do it in order to avoid any bug related to the app. I went into my phone settings, clicked on apps, then I searched for Dragon City. Here I clicked on storage from the menu. Then there is this button called Clear Cache. Just tapped on it, now the game cache has been cleared.
Now I want to show you guys how many resources I got in my Dragon City game. This is it, 19 and a bit over 3,000. As I said, not impressive at all. I'm starting by checking this site. You don't need to note it down, as you will surely see it over this video. I found many good things here, but now we are interested in Dragon City game, so that's what I will write in this search box. Once reaching here, I noticed that I need my user ID, but firstly let me select the platform, Android in my case. The user ID can be found here by clicking on this settings button. Then here it is in the right bottom. I have just clicked on the copy button and it is automatically copied. You don't need to manually type anything. As you can see, guys, this is pretty intuitive. We will just have to wait a bit now. All right, the next step is the easiest. I will just have to select the number of resources. Sometimes they might ask for an additional step if the server is overloaded, but don't worry, in case it's needed, they will provide all the instructions. All right, this is the moment of truth. Let's see if we are disappointed or not. Oh my god, can you believe this? Let me keep it closer so you guys can see how fast they're growing. This is incredible. I would watch it over and over again.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope I wasn't too boring because I tried to keep it as short as possible for you. Hope you all enjoy it, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye-bye!